Today we're going to learn about using a snatch block and line. We're going to haul this log up, and interestingly, since I've been practicing Qigong and my balance exercises, the thought of walking on a 65-foot log that's maybe 16 inches in diameter isn't as scary as it used to be. Can even turn around on it. Hoo-wee. Yeah, it's a nice log. I want to get it up here so I can actually work on it. But let's step down. Oof. Even that was easy. Probably from doing bear form 2. We got our toe strap running up to the tractor. A couple pieces of limbs we've already pulled out for firewood. All right, there's the tractor with the wood chipper on the back. Right, let's get to work. So our snatch line is up and attached to a snatch block, which is a pulley that is up in that ash tree, about 16 feet or so. This allows us to lift the log up and not just drag it through the dirt and mud, get it up the hill. And it's about a 15-foot vertical drop from where we are to where the tree had fallen. Change ropes and drag that log out of the way. It's about 15, 16 inches in diameter and about 15 or 16 feet long. It's kind of bent, so we'll probably get 2 short logs for the sawmill. Now we want to rescue the firewood. This piece is probably about 20 inches in diameter at that butt end. And the 2 limbs coming off of it, they're probably 40, 50 feet long or so. But we'll drag it up the hill, get it as high as we can, let it back down, and now it's time to change ropes. So we'll add a second line to it and remove the first line so we can pull it alongside the hill. Let's see, the rabbit comes out of the hole, goes around the tree, and goes back in the hole. And then we got a bow line, which comes out very easily. Untie the initial bow line, and we'll get this rope out of there. These new modern ropes are amazing. I believe I recall reading this rope has a working rating of 7,800 pounds. It was strong enough to stop the tractor dead in its tracks a few times until I gave it a good running start, and we must have pulled whatever was snagging the log out of the way. But we'll pull this piece up and out. That's wonderful firewood, that white ash. Oh, it's a shame those trees got taken out by that stinking emerald ash borer. So it was a good day in the woods. We cut that piece into 2 saw logs, some very nice firewood there, some very nice firewood there. Here, this big log, we probably got 1, 2, 3, at least 3 nice logs out of it. And then there's all the smaller pieces there. The next one to come down is our snatch block tree, which is mostly dead. Thankfully, it was strong enough to act as a jig pole to hold the snatch block so we could use our snatch line to drag those trees up the hillside. Ooh-wee, that was fun.